support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
What's my name?
Jan?
Yeah, Jan.
Ron, no, nice to meet you, Jan.
Nice to meet you.
And so you're with Eureka.
Yeah, I'm
You
the
know,
PR manager of Eureka.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's no hiding the product. We can't just surprise everybody.
Hi. Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. I'm Yuan. Nice to meet you here.
Yeah. So this is, it's great that you brought this up here. We don't get a lot of larger type of units that are on this table, so this is great. And I think a lot of people are pretty familiar with robotic floor cleaners,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I want to.
These days, the robot vacuums are, blooming. You can see here in the booth.
Yes.
Yeah. Many robotic vacuum brands are launching their new products. So do us. So.
Yeah, I'm just I'm already noticing some differences about yours.
Yeah.
And first of all, is this a LiDAR on top here?
Yeah, this is a LiDAR.
Okay, so very nice.
Yeah.
Why don't you explain to everybody back home what a LiDAR is?
So LiDAR is mainly for mapping for your house. So the LiDAR is using the LiDAR technology. So when you put your robot vacuum in your home, the LiDAR will be accessed with your permission. And it's the main function for the LiDAR is for the mapping, and the main the outstanding function of the Eureka G50 Max Ultra is actually the front.
Okay.
You can see here. I don't know if.
Oh yeah. So like right in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our audience will see it clearly.
Yes.
So traditional robot vacuums, the flagship robot vacuums, they only have one camera, which is an RGB camera,
okay,
like a smartphone.
Yes.
Has. And our Eureka G50 Max Ultra is featuring two cameras on the robot vacuums.
Okay.
So you can see on the left side is an RGB camera like every robot vacuum has.
Right, right.
It is of high FHD resolution, which means it can see clearly. You can have better interactions with your cat and with your pets. Yeah. And the biggest feature I want to mention is the camera in the center.
Okay.
You can see this is an infrared camera.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is very useful for the robot vacuum to detect the objects, because the infrared camera, if you are familiar with the surveillance camera, you can see they are always using the infrared camera.
Oh, yeah.
Even in the darkest environment, it can see the 3D structure of the object in front of it very clearly.
So is this why, and I do this a lot, I have some vacuums that I run in our house, and sometimes before I go to bed, I'm like, oh, I'll run a vacuum now, right? And then I notice that it bumps things at night that it wouldn't bump during the day.
Yeah.
Is it because it doesn't see those things at night?
Yeah.
Interesting. I did not know that. Okay.
Yeah.
Or of course, having infrared now, that doesn't matter at all.
And it also is very useful for it to detect the transparent liquids.
Okay.
Because because traditional RGB camera is very likely to our human eyes. We are very easily to get affected by the ambient lighting.
Gotcha.
Right? But the infrared lights, they has a bigger light range, and it can detect even the transparent things, liquids, and it detects very clearly.
Okay.
So
So you have LiDAR to map.
Yeah.
And does the LiDAR run all the time too to help with object detection and things?
Yeah. When it starts to work, it will run. When it returns to the base station, it will not work.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you have two cameras in front, an RGB, and then
and apart from the cameras, we also have a very powerful suction.
Okay.
It's a suction power of 22,000 Pascal.
Okay.
Which is almost comparable to some of the traditional canister vacuums.
Okay.
Which is very amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I noticed also, and I'm just going to, can I flip this over?
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So what is this about right here?
Yeah, this is mops, because nowadays most flagship, can I stand up?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. I want to take the robot to introduce to you. And because most robot vacuums, nowadays flagship robot vacuums can not only mop, not only vacuuming, they can also mopping, right? And from all our Eureka G15 series has mopping and mopping and vacuuming functions.
Okay.
And
So you're doing hardwood floors and vacuuming.
Yeah.
all
And
in the same-
when it detects there is a carpet in front of it, it will raise a mop. Yeah.
Okay.
And also the mop is extendable. You can see here. It's extendable.
Oh, okay.
It is locked. I cannot move it. But when it runs, it will extend it when it detects there is a corner or an edge in front of it to make sure that you have a complete cleaning experience.
Yeah.
No spot is missed. And also the side brush is extendable also. See here.
Oh,
yeah,
look at that. Okay.
Yeah, side brush.
So around the corners and all that good stuff is great. Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
And then after you're done, so what is all this about up here?
Yeah, after
Do you want
the
me to leave it
cleaning,
upside down like that? Okay.
After the cleaning work is done,
Yes.
the robot will return to the base station
So
very slowly.
Is it a dry mop scenario?
Mm-hmm.
Or can you do wet mop as well?
Yeah, wet mop and dry mop. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, well, wash the mop with hot water, dry mop with the hot air, drain the dirty water into the dirty water tank, and refill the clean water into the robot vacuum, and also empty the dust box into the dust bags.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and also a very impressive function that's welcomed by many of our users, Eureka fans, is this. This is self-cleaning base tray. You know, most robot vacuums, for cleaning the mops, but also clean the base tray, because one of the most user pain points nowadays for this kind of robot vacuum mop all-in-one station with all-in-one base station is that the base tray always get dirty. Yeah. Yeah. And we had no other choice but to clean the base tray every week or every 5 cleaning cycles. Yeah. So I mean, we have
the whole idea behind having this is to save you time, not make you more work for you, right?
Yeah. More hands-free. So it will scrape to this dust collection area, and it will be collected into the dust box. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Very clever. Very clever.
Thank you very much.
So are these units available for sale now? Or
these units are available for sale in June this year.
Okay.
Yeah, we have 3 lineup in the Eureka G15 series. Eureka G15 Pro Ultra, which is already available in the US and also across Europe. It's priced at $999 on Amazon, our official website. And we also have an entry level of Eureka G series. G15 series, and it will be available in March this year and priced at $799. And also this flagship topping the industry will be available in June this year and priced at $1299.
Okay. Yeah, this is quite the unit. I'm very, very impressed. Like I said, I have a lot that run around our office and at home. Yeah. It's a huge time saver.
Your office will be clean.
What I like about this is that we have both hard floor and carpet in the office too. So this would be amazing to have there too. So, yeah, very, very impressive. So, and you can just go to Eureka. Your website is Eureka.
Yeah, Eureka.com.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Well, I appreciate the time. This has been fantastic. Good luck on the new model here.
Thank you.
This is notice how I'm smiling because I love robotics, and I think that this is another thing that just saves a person so much time and does a better job actually keeping your house clean because you just put it off. I mean, you might look at your floor and like, I can do it tomorrow. You don't have to worry about that when you have a robotic vacuum cleaner. It just
you
makes
can
your
set
house
up a plan in your smartphone, and you can do it by yourself.
Yeah, it just does it right for you. So it's fantastic. All right. Ron, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a great CES. All right.
The Tech Podcast Network's CES 2025 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Kirk Corliss. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Tracy Ingram, Xerxes Goddard, Brandy Jackson, and Aviva Cram. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, and Scott Ertz. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. The TPN studio executive is Todd Cochran. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2025.